In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery to Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean professional image gallery on your store without touching any code. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, we'll first get all your images into Shopify so they're easy to use in the theme. Head to Content, then Files, and click Upload Files. Select every image you want to appear in your gallery. For the best results, use optimized JPG or WebP files to keep your site fast, keep image sizes consistent so the gallery looks uniform, and use clear descriptive file names so you can find them quickly while setting up the section. Next, open the theme editor. Go to Online Store, then Themes. From your current theme, choose Customize to open the visual editor. Some themes may show edit code, but for this tutorial, we'll stay in Customize so everything is point and click. Once you're in the editor, look to the left side for the Sections panel. This is where you add and arrange content on your page. We'll add a new section specifically for the gallery. Click Add Section and choose Slideshow. Even though it's called a slideshow, it works perfectly as a simple scrolling image gallery. Now, add your images to the slideshow. Select each image you uploaded from your files and insert them into the slides. Arrange the order by dragging them into the sequence you prefer. If you kept your image dimensions consistent, the layout will feel smooth and polished right away. With your images in place, customize how the gallery behaves. Adjust the slide height to match your design. Decide whether you want autoplay on or off, and pick a transition style that suits your brand. Turn on navigation controls so shoppers can click or swipe through at their own pace. If you'd like, add text overlays, but keep them short and legible so they don't distract from the visuals. Before publishing, optimize the display. Use the theme editor's device previews to check both desktop and mobile. Look for any awkward cropping or extra spacing, and make sure your aspect ratios remain consistent so nothing appears stretched or cut off. When everything looks good, click Save. Your gallery is now live on your Shopify store, no coding required. You now have a clean image gallery on your Shopify store, no coding required. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.